Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video is going to be on one of the most important steps in your skincare routine, and that is cleansing, and in particular double cleansing. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Inky Oat Cleansing Balm. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more reviews like this, and if you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. So the most basic skincare routine is going to consist of 3 things. If you don't have any actives in your skincare routine, that's perfectly fine. And actually, if you have sensitive or rosacea skin, it's probably best that you just strip everything back to these 3 things. So these things are to use a cleanser, a really good basic cleanser that doesn't strip your skin. The second step is to find a moisturizer that suits your skin, whether you have dry, combination, or oily skin. And the final step is to find a sunscreen that works for your skin type. I know you've been putting a lot of effort into your skincare routine, that's probably why you're here. There's a lot of really bad ones out there, and a lot of people hate sunscreen, as I did. So just make sure you find a sunscreen that really works for your skin. Okay, let's get into it. So I have a couple of notes written down here, and I'm just gonna read off the back of the packaging here. So as for the actual product, it says it is to help remove makeup and cleanse sensitive skin. Use in the AM and PM. Gently massage a small amount into dampened face and neck. I don't actually do that myself, but I will get into that a little bit later. In this packaging, you get 5 fluid ounces or 150 milliliters. And after that, you rinse thoroughly with water. You follow with your preferred serum and moisturizer. As for the ingredients, it has a lot of moisturizing, non-comedogenic oils in it. So it has sweet almond oil, sunflower oil, and oat kernel oil. So these oils are super loaded with ceramides, which is really good to strengthen your skin barrier. Another ingredient it has is, it says it's listed as oat kernel flour, which essentially is just super finely ground up oats, and that is called colloidal oatmeal. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Colloidal oatmeal is super calming and anti-inflammatory. I've had this guy for about 4 months now, actually maybe even 5, and I worked it out to be, I think it was $3 a month or 10 cents a day if you want to get really spicy. So this is super affordable. That's why I actually picked it up, and there were a lot of really good reviews on it from basically everyone that I know that's tried it. So before I was using the Clinique, I believe it's called Wash the Day Away. It's just in that purple packaging. You can get it at pretty much any drugstore, Shoppers Drug Mart, London Drugs, or whatever is in the States, I guess. But I did find out with that one that it actually has plastic in the ingredients, and this one does not. It's a pretty obvious choice for me to use this one instead, especially when it's going down the drain and eventually into the oceans. I don't like the idea of introducing even more plastic into the environment, so I prefer this guy. Also, this is fragrance free, so if you have super sensitive skin, this one is going to be perfect for you. So the consistency of the cleansing balm is more of a thicker cream, I would say. As you can see here, I'm kind of struggling to get out the last bit because I've used up the entire bottle. So you basically just rub the balm between your hands to warm it up, and it turns into more of an oil. So I just start here by rubbing it onto my dry skin. I do enjoy just massaging it into my face and taking a little bit more time, up to about a minute usually, and I find that really does the job to just make sure I don't really miss any spots on my face and everything's just super clean. I then add a little bit of water to my hands and rub it on my face, and as you can see here, it becomes white and kind of milky in the consistency, which is the product just emulsifying. And then I just go in and rinse away all of that with some water, making sure all of the residue is gone. After I'm done cleansing my face for the second time, I just pat my face dry with a towel, make sure it's clean, or you can just let it drip dry and then apply your serums and moisturizer after. I don't tend to use this in the morning. I use it as more of a makeup remover, like a micellar water or makeup wipes, but I haven't used makeup wipes in forever because they are awful for the environment. If you do have makeup wipes, I would just pack them up real nice and throw them straight into the trash. So overall, I really enjoy this cleansing balm. I think it's really great for all skin types actually. I'd say if you have super oily skin, it might be a little heavier or thicker for you. But again, you can just try it with a double cleansing system like I do, and I do have combination skin, so it works out pretty well for those oily areas that I have. I'd say if you have really dry skin, you are absolutely going to love this product. It is so moisturizing and so soothing. I found it really great for my skin, didn't irritate it at all, and it's just super moisturizing and so calming for my rosacea. And I'm actually almost out of this one. I should probably go and buy another one, but I think they might be out of stock at the moment, which is kind of a downside to this product because literally everyone loves it, but you can see why. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more reviews just like this one, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.